What's up, my friends? Welcome to the second episode of World's Best Bar Cocktails, a series where I share recipes from some of the world's best bar and most importantly recipes you can make at home. Today we're making Bar Leone's Ortega Old Fashioned. Bar Leone's was ranked number 1 in 2025 at the world's best bar, so it's almost like saying today we're making the world's best old fashioned. So if you guys are ready, let's go make one of the best cocktails in the world. Let's go. Alright, so when I first had the idea for this series, I wanted to help you bring some of the world's best bars into your home, but also to show you that best doesn't always have to be overly complicated, and Bar Leone transcends exactly that concept. It's a bar where quality ingredients and hospitality will always be more important than novelty and overly engineered cocktails. For those who are not so familiar with Bar Leone, it's best described as an Italian neighborhood bar in Hong Kong. The owner, Lorenzo Antinori, is a Roman bartender who wanted to bring that warm and Italian hospitality in Hong Kong, so the bar program is developed all around that. So the cocktails are often inspired by Italian classics, the food is simple and inspired by the approachable culture, and the bar design has that 80s, 90s vibe, and it's super warm and welcoming. Lorenzo calls this concept a cocktail Popolari, which literally translates to cocktail for the people, and he actually sent me personally the Ortega Old Fashioned recipe, giving me the permission to share it with you, so he truly lives up to it. So now for the ingredients, we're gonna need some bourbon, Calvados, Ancho Reyes Verde, a honey date syrup, and chocolate bitters. Now to make the honey syrup, the way to do it at Bar Leone, you will need a vacuum sealer and an immersion cooker. If you don't have that, there's a workaround. Obviously, it's not gonna be the same, but it's still gonna work well enough so you can still make the cocktail. So the way to do it is simply to make a regular honey syrup and add a little bit of date molasses in there before adding the other ingredients. But if you wanna make the real recipe, you will need honey dates, which are a little bit pricey and sometimes hard to get. So if you can't find any, I recommend you just use the best middle dates you can find. So you're gonna start by removing the pits from the dates, cutting and weighing 30 grams of that. Then in a sous vide bag, you will add 300 grams of a floral honey, 100 grams of water, and your dates. You're gonna seal the bag and cook it for 1 hour at 60 Celsius. After 1 hour, you simply plunge it in ice water to cool. Filter it through a fine mesh strainer, squeezing out as much syrup as possible, and then you will add half a gram of orange blossom water and a generous pinch of salt. That's it for the mise en place, so now let's build the cocktail. So we're gonna start with 1 ounce of bourbon, same amount of Calvados, and if you are a Calvados aficionado, I highly recommend you use something a little bit funky, something like Roger Gros 8 Years, for example, will be absolutely fantastic. So now we're gonna follow this up with 10 mils of our syrup, 1 teaspoon of Ancho Reyes Verde, and 2 dashes of chocolate bitters. Now we just add ice and stir until nice and cold. Then we're gonna strain this over ice. And for the garnish, we're gonna add a thin slice of apple. And if you wanna prepare those ahead of time, just squish a little bit of lemon juice on the slices, so they're not gonna oxidize. So we simply place the apple slice in the glass like this, and there I have it, Bar Leone Ortega Old Fashioned. Cheers. So we really get that classic old-fashioned vibe right off the bat, no questions asked, but it's fruitier and more complex than a regular old-fashioned. The Calvados pairs so well with the spiciness and green notes of the Ancho Verde, and the date flavor infused in the honey syrup kind of brings a brown sugar vibe to the floral syrup, which creates a beautiful balance. Now the chocolate bitters for me seemed kind of out of the blue at first when I read the recipe, but it works beautifully. It adds a lot of depth, and honestly, the flavors just work. So Bar Leone's Ortega Old Fashioned is a great cocktail, and I highly recommend it. So my friends, this is it for me today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Leave a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, to turn the bell if you want to make sure not to miss the next one, and then watch this video, which was number 1 of the series. So once again, thank you very much. Have a great day and see you very soon.